Hello, my name is Jessica and I am president of Hometown Heating and Air Conditioning. Hometown Heating and Air Conditioning provides heating and air conditioning services. We specialize in service, maintenance, replacement, and indoor air quality. The reason to choose Hometown Heating and Air Conditioning is we provide the best customer service in the industry. We want to make sure that your experience with us is always fantastic, and our goal in our business is to make you as comfortable in your home as possible. We have NATE certified technicians here at Hometown Heating and Air Conditioning. We also provide in-house training on technical and communication. We love to send our technicians to the best training facilities in the country so that they can provide the best technical experience in your home. We provide quality in the home by ensuring that the best technician is dispatched to your home. We also have a highly trained management team that will assess and help with any issues, and we will also come out and discuss any problems that you're having with anything at any time. We understand with an HVAC call that a lot of times it's an emergency situation. I know that customers are fearful about what's going to happen and they don't understand their system. When we come in, we explain everything in detail and we don't do anything without the client's approval. When we leave, we want you to walk away with a better understanding of your system and all of the tools that you need to make a decision. It's always so amazing when we leave a client's home better than when we got there. They have a full system that they completely understand and they're happy with. That gives me so much pride to know that we're in our community making a difference.